Hey, this is Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Welcome to the 5th installment of my Triumph motorcycle parts and what they sold for. Our first item for month number 5 is our Triumph handlebar tapered black, new in original packaging. It sold on May 4th, 2018 on eBay for $39.99. Our second item that we sold in the 5th month is a Triumph fly screen kit for a street triple. The color is roulette green, and it sold on May 5th, 2018 on eBay for $24.99. Our third item that we sold in the 5th month is a fly screen custom kit for a Triumph Scrambler. The color is Caspian Blue, and as you can see, it has really neat custom designs on it. It sold on May 7th, 2018 on eBay for $49.99. The fourth item that we sold is a Checkers, I believe I'm pronouncing that right, radiator cowl for a Speed Triple Neon Blue. Is sold on May 18, 2018 on eBay for $74.99. The fifth item we had for sale is a genuine Triumph D-Lock for a Triumph motorcycle. Is sold on May 23, 2018 for $39.99 on eBay. Number 6 is a Triumph alloy belly pan kit. I still have quite a few of these left, but I'm selling them both on Amazon and eBay. This one sold on eBay on May 25th, 2018 for $79.99. Number 7 is a Triumph handlebar tapered black, new original in packaging. It sold May 26, 2018 on eBay for $39.99. And again, it was another international sale to the United Kingdom. Our 8th item that we have is our Triumph fly screen kit for a Speed Triple. Color is nuclear red. It sold on May 27th, 2018 on eBay for $74.99. Number 9 and our last item for our 5th month of selling Triumph parts is a Triumph Diablo Red radiator cowl kit, brand new, sold on eBay for $19.99 on May 30th, 2018. So, in the 5th month of selling Triumph motorcycle parts, we have sold 9 items this month for a total of $444.91. In the 4th month, we were already up to $2,582.69, but if we add our $444.91 to our total, we have our total sales for Triumph parts in 5 months is $3,027.60, and our total items sold is 43 items in 5 months. And that gives us, if we take our $3,027.60 and subtract our cost that we paid for it, which was $2,850, we are actually now in the 5th month in the positive of $177.60, and we still have, out of the 112 items, 69 items left to sell. So I'm definitely going to be making some money, and in this year I think I'll definitely make a huge profit. So there is money to be made, even if it's just slow going. Just keep plugging away, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.